Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually solve any errors you have in CazéTV. Whether you have problem with VPN restriction, or you have problem not even being able to even access it at all, or you can't even see that they are actually live. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually kind of like get past through that. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So before we get right into the video, I just want to tell you why you can't actually watch CazéTV. The reason why you can't actually watch it is because of you're probably using like a VPN to access it, like how I'm trying to access it now with like a VPN. And if you're not even using a VPN, you can't see that they are live. It should show that it's unsupported or stuff like that. So I'm going to kind of like now start showing you like the solution. So let's get right into it. Just hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go. So basically, when you click on CazéTV, it will show you this. The uploader have not made this available in your country, right? So basically, I can't access CazéTV because of from Africa. You might be from India, you might be from Pakistan, and you can't really access it, and you really want to access it. So basically, I'm going to just show you an alternative YouTube channel that will show you the FIFA World Cup completely for free. This video is going to be short. I just want you to do two things for me. Just like the video, just subscribe, and like show much love. Just comment thank you or something in the comment section. I'm going to show you like a super cool YouTube channel that nobody is even talking about. All I just want for you is just like it and subscribe and comment, please. So I'm going to show you YouTube channel. YouTube channel is Super Sports, SPORT. Just wait a little bit. I'm going to show you that it's actually working. So this is the YouTube channel Super Sports. I think it works world. I'll enter the YouTube channel. Wait, you can see the highlight of a match. I want to show you. So now we go to the live section. Let me show you that it actually works. You can see Germany and Cote d'Ivoire, the World Cup matches that are coming on, Ghana and Paramount. I'm going to be actually watching this one, so I'm going to save it for notifying me when it starts. So I'm going to show you, like, for example, we had like 4 days ago match, Mexico versus South Africa, or the Morocco versus Brazil one. Now click on it. This is to show you that it actually works. When they are live, you will see it's their live. The only problem is that you see like they always have like commentary. Like some people will be talking here, but you will actually be watching it. So basically, this is an good alternative to CazéTV. Instead of wasting your time on CazéTV, what I just want you to do for me right now is to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And bye for now. I'll show you more tips later. So if you are still watching right now, I am currently making a website that you can access to watch different kind of matches, different kind of movies for free. So you just need to subscribe, and when I launch it, I'm going to like show you. So bye for now and have a lovely day. Bye.